Note, we modify the formula by using substitution. If y is equal to sin ax dy by dx is equal to a sin ax. It is also a problem, so to say. Sin of something is cos of something, and then the differentiation of that something is a. A is written here. Now, if y is equal to cos ax dy by dx is equal to minus a sin ax. Why? Differentiation of cos is minus sin. Differentiation of ax is a here. This is number 1. Number 2. Number 3. If y is equal to tan ax dy by dx is equal to a secant squared ax. If y is equal to cot ax dy by dx is equal to minus a cosecant squared ax. Number 5. If y is equal to secant ax dy by dx is equal to a secant ax into tan ax. Number 6. If y is equal to cosecant ax dy by dx is equal to cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x, so minus a cosecant ax into cot ax. Here we have committed this one. It is not sin, it is cos. So that we shall correct it. Using the above formula, we try to work out some problems. Number 1, y is equal to sin 3x dy by dx. Problem and answer directly you can write 3 cos 3x. Here a is what? 3. Y is equal to sin x by 2 plus 3 cos 2x by 3 dy by dx is equal to, here a is what? Half cos half x means what? X by 2. 3 is already there. Cos 2x by 3. Cos ax means what? Minus a minus 2 by 3 sin ax 2 by 3x, or this can be written as half cos x by 2, and this 3 goes minus 2 sin 2 by 3 into x. Y is equal to secant ax secant a by ex. Simply I am giving some fractions plus cot b by ax, b by a into x. So you can see dy by dx. See, we are using the formula secant ax. A secant ax tan ax. Here a is what? A by b here. So a by b secant a by b x into tan a by b into x. And here cot, differentiation of cot is minus. And cot ax is what? Minus a cosecant squared x. Here a is what? B by a. Minus b by a cosecant squared b by a into x. This is what we have got. Next, fifth problem. To look at is very complicated, but there is nothing in this. If you know certain thing in trigonometry, root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. We simplify the problem first by using trigonometry. Root of 1 minus cos x is 2 sin squared x by 2 by 2 cos squared x by 2. Add 2 cancels. Sin squared by cos squared is tan squared, with root is what? Tan x by 2. Tan x by 2. Now note to see that differentiation of tan x by 2, a is what? Differentiation of tan is secant squared. A is what? Half secant squared x by 2. Now we take the next problem. Y is equal to sin root x. Here sin x is cos x. Sin of something is cos of something into differentiation of that something. So dy by dx is equal to sin is becomes cos root x into differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Instead of writing here, I can write here in the beginning. Number 7, y is equal to sin squared x. Sin squared x. It is sin square x is what? 2 sin x into cos x. So dy by dx is equal to something squared. X squared is what? 2x. So sin squared or bracket squared is what? 2 times of the bracket into differentiation of that bracket is what? Cos x, and this can be written as sin 2x. I feel that we have already done this problem elsewhere. Y is equal to cos power 4x. Cos power 4x means what? X power 4. 4 into x cubed. So dy by dx is equal to something power 4 is what? 4 into something square, that is what? Cos cubed x into differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin x. You may write minus sin first, minus cos cubed x and 4 also here, and sin x and minus n. That is, the answer is minus 4 cos cubed x into sin x. And y is equal to root of tan x. Dy by dx is equal to root x is what? 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root of tan x into differentiation of tan x is secant squared x. Y is equal to cot cubed. Now function rule. Cot cubed e power x. So dy by dx, very carefully you can see something power 3 is what? 3 into something squared. X cubed is what? 3x squared. So 3 into cot squared, whatever is there you write, and differentiation of cot is minus cosecant squared, whatever is there you write, and it is not x, it is e power x. Differentiation of e power x you write here, e power x only. So minus 3 e power x cot squared e power x into cosecant squared e power x. Next problem, 11, y is equal to secant power 4 e power minus x. So dy by dx, secant power 4 is what? 4 secant cubed. Secant cubed, whatever is there you write like that, into secant differentiation is what? Secant and tan. Secant e power minus x into tan e power minus x, and differentiation of e power minus x is what? Minus e power minus x. So rewrite that one. It is equal to minus 4 e power minus x, secant cubed here and 1 secant here, secant power 4 e power minus x into tan e power by Resix.